For more than half a century, scientists, researchers, and conspiracy theorists have debated the mystery of a strange object orbiting our planet, an object known as the Black Knight satellite. It is said to be thousands of years old, circling Earth long before modern satellites were launched. But is it really an alien probe watching over humanity, or just space junk caught in the right place at the right time? The story begins in the 1950s. During the height of the space race, both the United States and the Soviet Union were closely monitoring the skies for anything unusual. The Cold War was in full swing, and each nation was suspicious of the other's motives. But then came the puzzling radar signals from space. At first, astronomers dismissed them as errors or natural phenomena. But as the signals continued to appear, they knew they had to take action. Soon after, astronomers reported seeing a mysterious dark object in polar orbit. This was an extremely high orbit, much higher than any satellite launched at the time. What was this strange object, and how did it get into orbit? And who put it there? Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you enjoy my videos, your support would be greatly appreciated. Back to the video. The mystery deepened when strange photographs of a large, irregularly shaped object appeared. The most famous images came from NASA Space Shuttle Endeavour mission in 1998. They showed what looked like a dark, angular craft floating silently above Earth. However, NASA explained it as thermal blanket debris, a piece of material that had broken loose during repairs. To believers, this explanation was too convenient. They claimed that this was undeniable proof of the Black Knight satellite. Several theories emerged about its origins. One idea suggested that it was left behind by an ancient civilization, perhaps as a surveillance device or a weapon. Proponents of this theory point to the fact that the Black Knight appears to be thousands of years old, predating modern human civilization. They also note that its strange shape and composition are unlike any known object. In addition, some believe that the Black Knight satellite is connected to Nikola Tesla, the brilliant but eccentric inventor and electrical engineer. In 1899, he reported picking up strange repeating signals during his experiments with radio waves. Could Tesla have detected transmissions from the Black Knight more than a century ago? Unfortunately, Tesla's notes were lost in a fire, so we can't be sure. Other researchers argue that the Black Knight satellite is a hoax, a mix of space debris, natural phenomena, and human imagination. They point out that many of the supposed sightings of the Black Knight can be explained as mundane objects like satellites or stars. Additionally, the satellite's orbit is highly elliptical, which would make it impossible to monitor Earth continuously. Despite these explanations, the believers remain unconvinced. They point to the fact that the satellite has never been fully identified or explained. The truth is, we don't know much about the Black Knight. Its exact origin and purpose remain unknown. We can't even be sure if it exists at all. That is why the debate continues to this day. So what do you think? Is the Black Knight satellite a real phenomenon or a product of imagination and wishful thinking? Let me know in the comments section below. The fact that we don't know much about the Black Knight adds to the intrigue surrounding it. After all, space still holds many secrets we have yet to uncover. Who knows? Maybe one day we will discover the truth behind this enigmatic satellite. Until then, it will continue to orbit our planet, a silent enigma in the night sky. As we continue to explore the vastness of space, we may find answers to the mysteries that have puzzled humanity for centuries. The Black Knight satellite may be one such enigma that will eventually be solved. But until then, it serves as a reminder that there is still so much we don't know about the universe. And perhaps it is this very mystery that makes the Black Knight satellite so fascinating to us. It captures our imagination and makes us wonder about the possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Maybe one day we will uncover the truth behind this enigmatic satellite and learn that we are not alone in the universe. Or perhaps it will forever remain a mystery, keeping watch over us from its silent post in the night sky. Whatever the case may be, the Black Knight satellite will continue to captivate our curiosity and inspire our fascination with the cosmos. As we look up at the stars, we coo and help, but wonder what other secrets the universe is hiding and what other mysteries are waiting to be solved.
If you enjoyed this journey into the past, make sure to subscribe to Past Secrets. because the deeper we look into history, the more mysteries we uncover.